Hi, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI recommendation tool or AI matchmaking tool. So once you're logged in, just click AI recommendation tool at the top bar navigation. It will show you all of the job listings in your booth. So click one job listing, click view, and it will show you all of the applicants in your job listing. As you can see, we have three already. So when you click AI recommended applicants, it will narrow down all of the applicants that fit your job listing. So it narrowed down to two candidates only. Next, you might want to look at the AI recommended users list as it will show you all of the candidates that fit your job listing from the whole database of the online job portal. This is because of the smart tagging in the online job portal, where it fits the job listing to a candidate's previous or current job and their skills. From here, you can book a meeting with a candidate or simply send them a chat. You can also export applicants accordingly. So I hope this helps you.